Alright, well, this is my almost last day. I guess technically my last day. I saved a big thing for today, and that is I'm gonna go sandboarding. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because this is a lifelong thing I've always wanted to do. I thought I'd do it years and years and years ago, but never got around to it, so better late than never. When I was a little kid, there was a game called Sonic the Hedgehog 3, I believe. Could be on Knuckles, I can't remember. But in that one, he goes snowboarding and I believe sandboarding. So I'm rocking my Sonic the Hedgehog socks. I know you see them. And I'm rocking my all blue. So I can't wait.
At the northern edge of Chile lies Iquique. Founded in the 16th century and later shaped by the nitrate boom, Iquique was once a Peruvian port before becoming Chilean after the War of the Pacific. The city carries layered identities: political, cultural, and architectural.
I'm in the center square by the clock tower, and it's right behind me. It's really beautiful here. The people are really nice. There's live music. Nobody's tried to haggle with me or rip me off or anything like that. I do feel very safe in Iquique, Chile. Behind me is the clock tower right in the center of town.
At the heart of the city stands the Torre del Reloj, a modest yet iconic clock tower that anchors downtown Iquique. Built in the late 19th century, the tower watches over Plaza Prat.
One observation I also want to make, I had no trouble in Santiago, Chile, or Mexico understanding Spanish, but the accent is very thick here, so it's hard for me to understand what people are saying a little bit more.
The Corbata Esmeralda is a beautiful attraction. This full-scale replica commemorates the original Chilean warship sunk during the 1879 Battle of Iquique, a defining moment in the War of the Pacific. To understand Iquique, you must first listen to its past, and the Museo Regional de Iquique speaks in a steady, thoughtful voice. Housed in a historic building near the city center, the museum offers an intimate look at the region's evolution, from pre-Columbian cultures and indigenous communities to the nitrate era that once fueled global agriculture and feudal labor systems.
Hey everybody, I'm going sandboarding with my buddy Franko, and we're heading up there right now, so we'll see you out there.
Franko runs Munay Sandboarding. This adventure experience taps into Iquique's unique geography, offering sandboarding lessons that blend sport, landscape, and pure momentum.
This is the best place for
Just getting photos of the boards. There's the boots. Snazzy.
Whew. It's about to happen. About to do my first sandboard. Can't wait.
my hand. Well, the other hand. Yeah, okay. You. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, nice.
So I'm looking at, this is literally the edge of the freaking dune and it goes straight down. I mean, I'm getting the angle, but this is like literally what I'm looking at. This, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but it just goes straight down. I fell twice. That's my board. Me.
Yep. Yeah. You. Yeah.
This is my last run of the day. Man, ever since I was a little kid, I played Sonic the Hedgehog, and he snowboarded and sandboarded, and I took up snowboarding, and then I looked up if sandboarding was a real thing, and it was. And now I'm finally getting to do it 30 years later.
Iquique is not a city that reveals itself all at once. It is a place where the desert meets the sea and neither wins, and somehow neither does time.